Hi guys, I am Coach Kai, the head coach here at Orange Theory Ladue. Welcome, thank you for coming to take your first class here at Orange Theory. Today, I'm going to just give you a virtual orientation to our studio so you know what to expect when you come in for your first class. So when you come, you'll be assigned to a station. You're gonna experience a tread portion, a row portion, and a floor portion during your class at Orange Theory. So first things first, I wanna bring you through the tread portion, then we'll review the rowers, then the floor. When you get here, you're gonna be assigned a station number. For example, if you get assigned station number 10, you will come in, you will begin on treadmill number 10. The station numbers are located at the bottom of the treadmills. When it comes time, you will switch to the next station on that same number. I'll explain once we get there. But first, let's talk about the treadmill portion of your workout. Looking at your treadmill, as soon as you get on that treadmill, you have a console in front of you. First thing you're gonna need to do is hit the green start button right here. That will make your belt start moving. From there, you have fans that will automatically turn on. You can adjust the fan with these two symbols up or down. On the left side of your treadmill, these are what we would call quick touch keys. These keys allow you to adjust the incline on the left side, including the up and down arrow keys located at your waist. On the right side of the treadmill, these are quick touch keys that control your speed. Also, located at your waist, you have up and down arrows that will allow for smaller increments. If you are beginning your tread portion and you would like to begin at a speed of 4 miles per hour, you can just use that quick touch key to bring your belt up to 4 miles per hour. With that being said, center of your console is your distance. You're gonna notice right in front of you on your treadmill is a monitor. It will locate the Bluetooth heart rate monitor that you will be wearing. Your name should appear on this screen. Once you see your name, you will click on it, and that will bring your information from the OT Beat screen to your treadmill. Also, you're going to see in the room we have TVs where your names will be located with the information regarding your heart rate tracking during the class. We will be on the treadmill for a portion of the time. When I tell you, we will transition to the second part of the class, which would be the rower. At the time of the transition, you'll wipe down your station. The coach will advise you that it's time to switch. You'll need to make sure you hit the stop button 2 times to make that belt come to a complete stop before exiting the treadmill. Once you leave that treadmill, you're gonna transition to our rowers. So, as I mentioned, if you start on treadmill number 10, you will want to exit the treadmill and go to rower number 10. You'll see the numbers are located at the top of our rowers. So if you've never been on a rower before, we use water rowers here at Orange Theory. The seat handles are located here. I'm gonna give you a live demonstration as we review how the rower works. So, coming over to the rower, you're gonna take a look on the rower. First things first, this is your monitor. In order to turn the monitor on, you're gonna hit the on button, the upper left-hand corner. You will see a series of numbers. This top number, the big number on your monitor, that represents your power. So it will vary in the number that we're using, but it is going to represent power. The coach will guide you throughout your workout regarding that number. The number in the lower right-hand corner, this is your distance that we would be rowing. The number in the lower left-hand corner is a timer that starts the minute you begin rowing. Number in the upper left-hand corner is what we call stroke rate. That's gonna tell me how quickly you are rowing back and forth. Again, the coach will review this in your class, but that's just a quick orientation of the monitor. So when it becomes time to get in the rowing, be careful, you're gonna take a seat, it does slide. So put a hand on that seat. Once you're on the seat, you're gonna take a look at these foot plates. What you'll see is there are 2 knobs. You want to adjust these foot plates for your foot size. The goal here is that when your heels go in this cradle, like so, that strap needs to go over the widest portion of your foot. This is also the equivalent to where your toes bend. So adjust the foot plates, pay attention to the number of holes you have showing. Once you have both foot plates adjusted, put both feet into the foot plates, then tighten your straps. You want a nice tight strap to keep your toes down. From here, you're gonna grab that handle, the widest part of the handle. Fingers are over the top, thumbs are wrapped beneath. First part of the rowing portion, you're gonna sit forward, grabbing those handles, reaching over your knees towards the front of that rower. Three-part rowing motion starts with a leg drive. So you're gonna start by extending your knees until your legs are completely straight. Sitting up tall, the second portion, you're gonna tilt back, finishing by pulling that handlebar in between your sternum and your belly button. This completes the drive back. Upon return, you reverse the order. Arms are gonna come out first. You're gonna tilt forward until that handlebar crosses over your knees. From here, you're gonna slide that seat back forward. When we put all that together, it looks like this. Push, recover. So it's gonna be 1 count back, 2 slow counts on the way forward. You'll have a lot of opportunity to practice, and we can help you figure out our 3-part rowing technique and your power during your class. To come out of the straps, you pull these straps together, push your foot up towards the handlebar, lift your heel, and come out of those foot plates. That will be your row portion for the day. Your third and final component of your workout will be on our floor stations. So we have weights over here on the floor. You will be guided through a series of exercises by your coach. The exercises are located up on our TV screen up here. As you can see, the figures on the TV screen will be moving so that you can remember what the coach has described for the workout. Your coach will do a live demonstration of all of the exercises for the day, showing you and giving you options if you should need. You have weights located at every station, so you'll be able to use those weights throughout the workout. If you have any questions, need any options, have any injuries, please let your coach know the day that you come in for your first workout. We're super excited to have you guys. Can't wait to meet you. We'll see you soon.